Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day wherever you are in this beautiful world, Mom. Guess what? I woke up late. It's after 8. And the reason for that was because last night I was doing the laundry. I ended up finishing almost everything. Uh, I finished almost everything. Now I'm gonna have breakfast and just head straight into work. So after breakfast, I am here. I have my treadmill, my setup, my water. I am going for lunch. My battery's about to die. No. This is what I'm having for lunch. Salmon, veggie, apple juice, lettuce wrap. I'm gonna put this in the veggie and the salmon in the lettuce and have it as a wrap, and that's for lunch. Work is over for today. I have done my work and I have done all the play. It's raining outside, so we are staying home. The weather is nice. I'm happy for this weather because the past few days it was sunny, windy, cold. Now it's cool and rainy. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm grateful. I am grateful. I'm gonna spend some time with this little chicken and tomorrow is another day.